friends, just want to let you know about our July fundraiser for Mission Mansfield. So if you're not familiar with Mission Mansfield, they are a nonprofit organization located right here in town. They have a thrift store, they have a donation center, they have a health clinic. They're a really neat program because they help those in need from not just in this moment, what do you need right now, but moving forward, how do we help you not be in this situation again? So they've got some really cool job counseling, and anyway, it's a great organization. I highly suggest you look into it. But one of the things they have also is a food pantry. And for Point Realty's July sort of, I don't want to call it a promotion, but we are doing a food drive for Mission Mansfield through the entire month of July. So if you come and visit us, I'm just about to put this ice cream in the freezer, because if you come visit us between 10 and 4 any day, Monday through Friday, with a food pantry donation, you will leave with not a whole box. I can't give you a whole box, but I will send you on your way with a cold, refreshing treat so that you can enjoy an ice cream as a thank you for bringing us some food pantry donations for the Mission Mansfield Center. So if you want additional details, there's not really a lot of them, but we'll attach some links to this so you can look into the center and what we're doing, and we look forward to having you visit. It's kind of a twofold, maybe makes me a little bit selfish, because although we're trying to do a good thing for our community, also it means that when you come bring food pantry donations, I get to see you, and so that makes me happy as well. So come visit us, bring us some food pantry donations, have an ice cream, and we will look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much. Happy July.